Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the properties and uses of phosphorus. Here more properties is present here. The first property is reaction with oxygen, then reaction with chlorine, then reaction with nitric acid, then reaction with alkali and reaction with metals. Let us see the reaction of oxygen. Phosphorus is highly reactive and has the following important chemical properties. The first one is reaction with oxygen. Yellow phosphorus readily catches fire in air, giving dense white fumes of phosphorus pentoxide. The formula for phosphorus pentoxide is P2O5. And red phosphorus also reacts with oxygen on heating to give phosphorus trioxide or phosphorus pentoxide. Let us see the equation. The formula for phosphorus is P4 is in the presence of oxygen, it gives phosphorus trioxide. So here P4 times, so phosphorus trioxide basic formula is P2O3. But here P4 times, so P4 times and oxygen, so you take tri mean 3 times, so 3 2s are 6. So here 3 times oxygen is taken, so 3 2s are 6, so here 6 times. Now you cancel this one, P 2 2s are 4, so P2 times and oxygen molecule 3 2s are 6, so here 3 times. And next one is phosphorus pentoxide is formed. Phosphorus pentoxide formula is P2O5. So this is the phosphorus pentoxide. So same thing, phosphorus in the presence of oxygen, it gives phosphorus pentoxide. So here phosphorus is taken 4 times. So 4 times. We want oxygen is 10 times. So P4O10. So here oxygen is 2 times. So 5 times. So 5 2s are 10. So here also oxygen molecule is 10. Or here 2 is common. So P2O5. So this is phosphorus trioxide and this one is phosphorus pentoxide. And next property is reaction with chlorine. Phosphorus reacts with chlorine to form tri and pentachloride. Yellow phosphorus reacts violently at room temperature, while red phosphorus reacts on heating. The formula for phosphorus trichloride is phosphorus represent P, tri represent 3 times, so trichloride means 3 times. So phosphorus trichloride. And next one, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride means phosphorus, penta represent 5, so here chlorine. Okay, so this is reaction with chlorine. So now we take phosphorus. The formula for phosphorus is P4. So that is reacted with chlorine. It gives phosphorus trichloride. The formula for phosphorus trichloride is PCl3. Okay, so here phosphorus 4 times. So 4 times of phosphorus. Now chlorine 3 4s are 12. So here 6 times means 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Chlorine is balanced and phosphorus also balanced. And next one, same thing, but phosphorus pentachloride is formed here. Phosphorus penta represent 5, phosphorus pentachloride. So here phosphorus is reaction with chlorine. 4 times of phosphorus, so 4 times of phosphorus. So phosphorus is balanced and then chlorine. So chlorine here 5 4s are 20, but here chlorine only 2 times. So we need 10. So 10 means 10 2s are 20. So here also 5 4s are 20. Chlorine also balanced. So that's all for properties of reaction with chlorine with phosphorus. And next one, reaction with alkali. Yellow phosphorus reacts with alkali on boiling in an inert atmosphere, liberating phosphine. The formula for phosphine is PH3. Here, phosphorus acts as a reducing agent. Phosphorus, that is P4. So This is the reaction with alkali. Here sodium hydroxide is one of the alkali. The formula for sodium hydroxide is NaOH. So NaOH plus H2O. It gives sodium hypophosphite. The formula for sodium hypophosphite is NaH2PO2. So this is sodium hypophosphite, that is the formula. Plus here phosphine gas is liberated. The formula for phosphine is PH3. Okay, so here how many phosphorus is present here? Here one phosphorus, here one. So totally 2 phosphorus is here, but here 4 phosphorus. So now I take 3 times, here means phosphorus is balanced. Here 3 phosphorus plus 1 4 phosphorus. Okay, after that here sodium 3 times is present. So I take sodium 3 times. And next one, hydrogen here 3 2s are 6 plus 3 9. But here hydrogen only 3, but here 2 times. So I take 3 times mean 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 9. So hydrogen also balanced. And next one, remaining oxygen. So here oxygen 2 3s are 6. Here oxygen 3 times, and here also oxygen 3 times. So totally 6 times. So oxygen also balanced. So that's all for properties of reaction with alkali is enough. And then next one is reaction with nitric acid. Let us see reaction with nitric acid. When phosphorus is treated with corn nitric acid, it is oxidized to phosphoric acid. This reaction is catalyzed by iodine crystals. Let us see the equation. Phosphorus, that is P4, is reacted with nitric acid. Here I take concentrated solution of nitric acid. So the formula for nitric acid is HNO3. So HNO3. It gives orthophosphoric acid. The formula for orthophosphoric acid is H3PO4 plus NO2 plus water molecule is formed. Now balance this equation. So here phosphorus 4 times. So I am also taken 4 times. So here more times is taken. So I take 20 times of HNO3 is taken. Okay. So now balance this equation. Nitrogen 20 times. So 20 times of nitrogen here. Okay. Then phosphorus 4 times. So here also phosphorus 4 times. Then oxygen we calculate now. So here oxygen molecules 23 are 60 oxygen molecules. But here oxygen molecules 4 4s are 16 plus 22s are 40 plus here only 1 time. So totally 7 plus 5 57. But here 60 times. So now I put 4 times here mean. So oxygen is here 4 times. So now 60 times of oxygen. So oxygen is balanced. And then hydrogen. So here hydrogen is 20 times. Here hydrogen 4 3s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8. So 20 times. So hydrogen also balanced. And next one is reaction with metals. Phosphorus reacts with metals like calcium and magnesium to give phosphides. Metals like sodium and potassium react with phosphorus vigorously. For example, phosphorus is react with magnesium in it gives magnesium phosphide. And then phosphorus is react with calcium in it gives calcium phosphide. And next one, phosphorus reacts with sodium in it gives sodium phosphide. Let us see the equation. This one, phosphorus is react with magnesium, it gives magnesium phosphide. The formula for magnesium phosphide is Mg3 P2. And next one, phosphorus is react with calcium. It gives calcium phosphide. The formula for calcium phosphide is Ca3P2. And next one, phosphorus is react with sodium. It gives sodium phosphide. The formula for sodium phosphide is Na3P. Okay. So now balance this equation. So here phosphorus 4 times, but here phosphorus 2 times. So 2 times of phosphorus. So 2 2s are 4. Phosphorus is balanced. And then magnesium. Here 2 3s are 6. So here only 1 time. So 6 times. So first equation is balanced. And then here phosphorus 4 times. Here phosphorus 2 times. So 2 times of phosphorus. So 2 2s are 4. Here also 4. And then calcium 2 3s are 6. So here also 6 times. Then second equation is also balanced. And next one, sodium phosphide. So here phosphorus 4 times, but here only 1 time. So 4 times. And then sodium, here 4 3s are 12. So here only 1 time of sodium. So 12 times of Na. The first one is magnesium phosphide. Second one is calcium phosphide. And third one is sodium phosphide. So that's all for properties. So first reaction with oxygen, then reaction with chlorine, and then reaction with alkali, and reaction with nitric acid, and final property is reaction with metals. That's all for properties. And next one is uses of phosphorus. The red phosphorus is used in the matchboxes. It is also used for the production of certain alloys such as phosphor bronze. So that's all for uses of phosphorus. Thank you, students.